Hi guys. Oh, there you are. Hey guys. So, we're moving. Things are a bit cluttered. I printed off something pretty interesting that I felt like showing you guys. A glow-in-the-dark Darth Vader head. I did a whole time-lapse on it, and just roll the time-lapse. Alright guys, here it is, the Darth Vader helmet. Let's see if I can get it off of here without breaking it. Feels so fragile. Bunch of glue stick on the bottom. That is awesome. Couple holes here on the top. And got really thin there. Some lines on the eyes that happen to be where the seams ended up.
other than those small details, that is awesome. I think I might print one in black with the thick walls just because I get the feeling this one's not gonna last long. It's so thin.
Alright, so, that's better. Alright, so that was pretty cool. I like this Vader head. It's got those couple defects I showed you guys, but still pretty cool. Anyway, hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that YouTube stuff. Have a good one, guys.